shell, conch shell.
I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need that shell. This is where they're getting washed up.
We're taking the dogs to the beach for the first time. Has Zoe ever been to the beach? Hannah, you've never been to the beach, have you? Have you? Ah, what are you doing?
Born and raised in Colorado, just like her mama.
You're a mountain girl. You'd be, if Hannah was a human female, she'd be one of those like Jeep girls, you know. With the, it's a Jeep girl thing. Don't drink it, Hannah. See a parakeet?
He actually wants to. His name's Merlin.
Hi, Merlin. How are you? Oh, I want one. So, how old is he?
He's 20.
Oh my god,
wow.
that is awesome.
I don't know what you paid for a chick. This was 20 years ago. It was 800. I heard thousands now.
What kind of bird is he?
African Grey Parrot.
Oh my god,
wow.
you are beautiful.
They have the ability to copy voices exact. So they can stick with
Stunning eyes.
I love him. He's so handsome. Oh, there he is. Do you want a lobster? Poor guy. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm not going to be the person who eats you, though, at least. Look into his eyes, guys.
What do you think about Maine steamers?
We found out that there's these clams that, like, they serve them uncircumcised.
Okay, there's something you need to know about Maine steamers before we continue. We didn't get any, but they said that the penis reference is kind of unavoidable. So we Googled it. Check it out. This is a Maine steamer. And the text says, okay, when you're eating it, identify the sock. It will roll off the tip of the clam. It is impossible to avoid this sounding like a condom reference, so just accept that you are taking an ugly condom off a clam and move on.
Ew, that's gross. That's gross. No way.
That's what Maine steamers are. Let's go back to the vlog.
Pretty much, just like it. And so apparently when you open them, they pee on you. You're supposed to clean it off and eat it. Hell no.
We're gonna get some oysters, huh? The thirsty clam. We're known for oysters.
Oysters that Mike's been eating. I can't bring myself to try oysters, guys. I'm a little scared. Yeah. Especially after she just showed us that one with a freaking, you know, thing.
The Maine steamers look weird.
Maine steamers look so weird. It's beer 30.
think about Florida skydives during the winter?
I will tell you, I was cold. I was underdressed. It took my breath away. As soon as I got out of the airplane, I was like, breathe, breathe, breathe. And it was chilly.
Oh, I liked it. I thought it was perfect.
It was chilly.